everyone. Today I will be reviewing a famous Indonesian novel entitled Hujan, Bulan, Juni. This novel was written by the legendary poet Sapardi Djoko Damono. This book is a novelized version of his very famous poem. The story is about the relationship between Sarwono and Pinkan. Sarwono is a professor from Java, and Pinkan is a young woman of Japanese Mennonite descent. They love each other, but they face many differences, such as culture, religion, and distance when Pinkan has to study in Japan. What I love about this novel was its beautiful and simple language. It felt very romantic and profound. The character felt very real. However, the plot was a bit slow and little boring. But for me, the feeling of this book was extraordinary. In conclusion, Hujan Bulan Juni is a heartfelt story about love and passion. It is a masterpiece of Indonesian literature. If you enjoy romantic and poetic stories, you should read this book.